Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 18th of July 2018. Okay guys, we have a very good successful day with forex trading, and it was a tricky day, but still we are able to manage the trading today. And I'm going to start the discussion from Euro USD. So as you can see, I have supplied the bullish expectation in case of Euro USD. 116357 was the bullish entry from my side, and the target price was 116738. You know, we have received the drop yesterday, and today I was expecting a recovery, and you can see that today it has taken a smaller U-turn, and you can see Euro USD has finally moved up. So guys, if it continues its bullish activity, then it can go up to 116738. Okay, now let's talk about another successful trade of the day. That's the second consecutive pair hit as per the signals report, New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 067550, and the target price is 076933. And you can see right from the entry we have seen a significant upward trend. Even scalper has pointed us with a buy arrow, and then you can see finally the market has moved up towards the target price and the signal has expired. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. So I'm going to take you towards the pair AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 073528, and the target price was 073817. And you can see right from the entry we have seen a sound upward trend, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the sell position and buy positions today on Euro USD and buy position on AUD USD, they must have taken a very massive profit, and they must have taken a good moves with no problem. So now I'm going to move towards a drop that is appeared on USD Canadian dollar today. This is what 200forexpips.com has predicted in the morning. 132324 was the bearish entry from my side, and I was expecting the drop up to 131871, and you can see right from the entry we have seen a very good downward trend on the pair, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So guys, if you look at the previous trend on USD Canadian dollar, it was completely up. So it is never easy to give a bearish signal when you are going to into the upward direction. So that's what the quality about the 200forexpips.com. They normally provide you with a good signal before the time, and that's what our quality is. We predict the market in the long term, and that's why our subscribers who are subscribed to the signal service are very successful with our trading. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain pound JPY. Hopefully all of the traders have taken the drop, and they must have taken the massive profits from the drop. 147920 was the bearish entry from my side, and the target price was 1474,542. And you can see that we have a massive drop, and that drop was already predicted by 200forexpips.com in the morning. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on Great Britain pound JPY, they must have taken a very good profit with no problem. Okay, at second last, I'm going to talk about the second last pair of my signals report, that is Euro JPY. A bearish signal was supplied from 131450, and the target price was 131025. And you can see a few hours ago our signal was expired because it started to go down, and then it finally touched the target price 131025. And after that you can see the market moved up, but our signal was expired with no problems. At last, I'm going to talk about the last pair of my signals report, that is AUD JPY. 83110 was the bearish entry from my side, and the target price was 826. And you can see we have a drop from here, and within like 4 hours we have hit our target price, and this signal was expired. So guys, it was a very successful day with forex trading, and trust me, it was very difficult to give the signals in the morning, and that is why I have sent the caution in the morning that the market is tricky. So do careful trading, because you know, it was never easy to predict the market like this. Anyhow, I congratulate all the traders who have taken the profits today. I just request them to send their screenshots so that I can share on my Facebook page. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary, like it happened today on USD Canadian dollar. It went into the top red boundary, then we have received a rejection. And if you look at here, then scalper has pointed you with a sell arrow at the top overbought levels, and the pair is down. And whenever the pair comes into the lower red boundary like this, then you can buy the pair, but you will buy after confirmations. And also the scalper has pointed you with a buy arrow, and then the market was finally moved up, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the monitor is here to help you. When it gives the green signal, it means buy. When it gives the when it gives the red signal, it means you need to sell, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.